Hey there fellow Greymanes, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Mistcloaked Owl Leather Armor in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in Muikun village at the southeastern edge of Tashkalp in the Crimson Desert region. You need to unlock the back alley shop first before you can buy the leather armor. Our video in the channel, How to Get the True Black Dye, covers this, so please make sure to check it out. Once you have the back alley shop unlocked, you can buy the Mistcloaked Owl Leather Armor from his selection of items. This armor provides 10 points in defense, lightning resistance level 1, and Mistcloaked Owl disguise. But at max refinement, the defense goes up to 29. It sacrifices 3 points in defense compared to other leather armors for the extra disguise effect. And that's how to get the Mistcloaked Owl Leather Armor in Crimson Desert. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.